back. Looks like it got a Brinks standard security, solid lock body. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, it's only 4 pins. They'll probably have a, oh, it's 30mm solid brass. Anyway, let's see. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got some pretty decent bidding. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, let's just find the right tension wrench here. Let's see, we got this tapered one. Will that do? Oh, that kind of catches. I think we're gonna go a little bit bigger. Oh, yeah, I think that's good. Let's just stand over right over here to my SouthOrd. Oh, what is that? It's kind of like extended W or something. Okay. Just some light tension. So I can get out of my light. Yep. So that was kind of neat. I had I think a spool on number 3. Anyway, so I just flipped this around and single pin picked it. Well, first I raked it. That gave me my false set, and then I just single pin picked the 3rd pin, which was like a spool. I'm gonna open right up. Guess it's no match. I don't really like Brinks locks anyway. I really like brass. This is no match for the SouthOrd or the extended W rig. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching.